So we're on the balls of our feet, our knees are gripping tight onto the bike, our arse is towards the back of the bike, and then when we accelerate, we drive that head forwards like this. Okay, so naturally when you pull the throttle, the force pulls you back off the bike. So what we want to do, even when we've got both hands on the bike, is you want to drive our head and our body forward. So we're not getting yanked all the time, because your arms are going to get really tired and you want to be moving at one with the bike. So you always want to be in motion with the bike, and then your fitness and everything will be a lot better. And you're also just going to be in control. If you're being pulled off in your fingers, you're going to whiskey throttle or you're going to lose the brake or the clutch. If we're driving our body forward, we can keep hold of the controls and we're not going to whiskey throttle. So I'll show you again, balls of the feet, grip with the knees, and then as we accelerate, we drive the head forward like this. What we're going to do to practice that is we're going to have one hand behind our back, just drive slowly in second gear, and then as we accelerate, we're going to drive that head forward. All right, I'll show you.
Sounds dangerous. Sounds suspicious.
Just go slow if you're worried. And if you can't do it, then just practice the motion with both hands on. But I want you to try one-handed first, because it makes that body position so important. If you're doing it wrong, you can't do it one-handed. My bike, that'll be a good reference point. I want you to get lower, use the engine brake. So we go down one gear when we get to my bike, lower body position, and then we use both brakes to come to a stop. It doesn't have to be an emergency stop where we're skidding. We just want to do a slow and controlled stop where the rear wheel is slowly slowing down. It's not locking up. I'll do a demonstration, then I'll put my bike back in the same place. Well, it depends on your speed, the bike, and everything like that, but I'll probably do third to second. You can do third to second, second to first, whatever's more comfortable.